If you'd like to verify your age on your Google account, here's what you need to do. We'll be dropping a link in the description which makes it pretty fast in order to do this. Once you click on the link, it will take you to this page where it will say, choose how to verify your age. Then it says this usually takes a few minutes. Then you also see the email address where you'll be confirming or verifying your age. This method which we're using skips all the methods that you have to go through your Google account and go to your personal information. And sometimes you might not see the verification button to even verify. So by following this link, you'll be taken to this page and you have three options. You can use your ID, use your credit card, or take a selfie. Whatever the option is, as your choice, once you click on it, you need to make sure that you either have your ID, your credit card, or you're ready in a well-lit area to take a selfie. So once you click on any of them, you follow with the steps and complete the process. So this is what you need to do if you want to verify your age on your Google account.